did Santa bring you? Cute, good job, bud.
Open it up.
Eat the paper. What is it, buddy? What is it? You got some more paper, Kickoff. Come here. What's this paper? What is it, buddy?
Open it up.
What did Santa bring you?
Smile.
What did Santa bring you? What is it? Is it a Brilliant Basics? It's a basketball hoop. Go ahead, keep ripping the paper. Oh, go ahead. And eat it.
Merry Christmas, George.
Merry Christmas from Santa. You were a good boy this year for the 5 months that you were born.